Okay. I bought the cheap, fuck. Okay, so I bought the cheap airbrush off Amazon. I set it up. I'm really afraid I'm gonna break it the first try I use it. I don't know what it is exactly that I'm supposed to be using. We're gonna see how this works in the airbrush. I've been wanting to do this for so long. Okay, no paint yet. Oh. Okay. This is kind of nice. I actually like this. Oh no, I just poured paint on the shirt. That's the hard part. How do I not pour paint on the shirt? Okay, I really like this, but it's gonna take some time to get good at. And this happened first try. I had no idea what I was doing. Basically, my advice, just start. Now, the first one I did on the floor, and I feel like that was a huge mistake because the paint spilled onto the shirt. So now I have it up on a whole easel. We're proper, and we are gonna freestyle this together. Get this thingy-mabob connected. Kind of spraying way slower now, but not complaining. At least this way I could build up my drawing, especially since I'm making it up on the spot. I feel like it's shooting out more paint now. And we're going with faces because I guess that's what comes natural. That's what I see the most. Faces. Slightly harder to control, but not too bad. Even a straight up paintbrush is hard for me to control, so this is not bad. I just feel like I have to be more patient than I'm used to and kind of freestyle distances. Like this line cannot thin. I'd like to be able to do that. So I guess just get closer. Yeah. Alright, I'm taking a risk because in life you gotta take risks. We're creating another shape for no apparent reason at all other than my compositional OCD. That's how I gotta clean. That's how in line. Okay, slow and really close up. Okay, now I'm really starting to have fun. I think I could get pretty good at this. If I could just remember to hold the cup upright. I like this machine. Maybe it's just my first airbrush experience and I have nothing else to compare it to, but if this is your first airbrush experience, then don't do that. I keep doing that. That's okay, we're gonna fix it. Ready? I think I might need more paint in this thing. Okay, never mind, this thing doesn't work, I broke it. So this was going really well and then now I can't get it to work at all. Nothing's happening. So I will update you whether or not this is worth it. Okay, this is my favorite thing that I've airbrushed, and unfortunately I forgot to press play when I tried to film myself make them. But here's how they turned out, because also the airbrush compressor battery died while I was making them. So I finished up the last details with Sharpie. Oh, what are you doing? And when I tried to plug the air compressor in, it never turned on again, and it just does this, and it just blinks. It blinks and it doesn't charge, so I don't know what happened to this thing. I ordered a backup from Amazon. Luckily, they're gonna reimburse me. I only got technically one use out of this. If I'm just not charging this right, and one of you has a way to fix this, let me know. If not, the only thing I could recommend to not buy this airbrush is because the compressor is not durable. And since the compressor didn't last, I only was able to do the front side of these pants, so they don't look as cool as these pants that I made. These pants I made with Sharpie, and they took forever to make because Sharpie is way slower than airbrushing. But I did both sides and they look pretty freaking cool. Here, I'll try them on. They're like a size 40 though, so ladies, you could wear them with a belt. Ladies can wear them with a belt. The men can wear them however they want or with a belt. Pretty cool pants. Thank you for following me along on my airbrush experience. If you'd like to buy anything, you can email art.by.dannyt or click the link in my bio. It takes you to my website or my Instagram. You're free to DM me on my art Instagram account. And my cat is still doing random stuff. Thank you.